The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2007 through 2015 Mazda CX-9 with the raised rail. We've just installed the Thule Wingbar Evo raised rail complete rack system. The system consists of the Wingbar Evo load bars in silver, 53 inches in length, and the raised rail Evo foot pack, which come in a set of 4. Locks are available as a separate accessory. If you feel like you want to add some security to your system, you can pick up a set of 4 to lock the base rack system. So overall, you have a weight carrying capacity of 220 pounds, evenly distributed, and crossbar spacing maximum of 28 inches center to center. So a great rack for all different types of gear and accessories. So this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple clicks, please visit the link in the description below. And that's it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.